tremolo. So with the tremolo, you can do the same with arpeggio. I would recommend being able to do either rest or free stroke or rest stroke with your thumb, but all the finger work is all free stroke. Index, ring, middle, index, okay? And so this is a little study that I made. Make sure to watch the arpeggio or the tremolo quick study for a little bit more information. And just get to playing this. I'm playing it at 100. It starts on that E minor. Get back here so you can see both. Okay, so here we go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4.